welcome back to KATY London. Here we are with our lovely KATY. We are at the classic car show in Croxley Green, and we've had a fun day out. We've met lots of people and given out lots of postcards today. We had a great trip out yesterday in Regent's Park in London, and I'll just show you here if you have a look. We've just done some bits and pieces up here. Well, not just, but a bit of time. And you can see the old car here, what she used to look like, and how things progressed gradually, and it was gradually. And we did have some times where we didn't do a lot on the car, as we had other projects going. This is where we are at the moment. We're going to move on in the next couple of series. I will do some more on the car, but then we're going to follow Mechanic London and the adventures of KATY. Keep following, and thank you very much to everyone we met today, and we will see you soon. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Mechanic London, and thanks for now.